Today, we're diving into Devin AI, an intriguing tool that claims it can take on developer tasks. But can an AI really replace skilled developers? Let's explore what Devin AI offers and whether it lives up to the hype. Devin AI positions itself as a solution for automating coding tasks, aimed primarily at developers and teams looking to streamline their workflow. The platform allows users to input coding requests and promises to generate code snippets or even entire functions based on those inputs. At first glance, the interface feels user-friendly, making it accessible for both seasoned developers and those less experienced. However, while the concept is compelling, there are some areas that feel a bit vague. For instance, the specifics on how accurately it generates code or handles debugging are not clearly outlined. There's a notable lack of transparency regarding its training data, which is crucial for understanding its limitations. Also, the intended audience seems somewhat broad, so it's unclear if it can effectively cater to the diverse needs of different development environments. When it comes to strengths, Devin AI's potential for speeding up repetitive coding tasks is definitely a plus. For developers who find themselves bogged down by mundane work, it could save time and improve productivity. However, there are notable concerns. For one, the accuracy of the generated code can be hit or miss, which might frustrate users who expect high-quality outputs. Additionally, there's limited information on pricing, which might deter potential users who want to weigh cost against value. Also, developers who require highly customized solutions may find Devin AI lacking. Overall, while it might suit those looking for basic automation, seasoned developers might prefer more robust tools that offer greater control and precision. In conclusion, Devin AI has potential for automating some coding tasks, but it won't replace developers anytime soon. If you're a beginner or looking for light assistance, it might be worth a try. However, more experienced developers might want to explore alternatives that offer deeper functionality. Overall, proceed with cautious optimism.